Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download any devices of Gigabyte. You can download easily. So first, so open, after that you can search button and then enter your model number B860M D3HP and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on the title of the model number. This is your motherboard, so click on support. So guys, select operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11, any operating system. Installations process same, so you can see this video and then install driver. Okay, audio driver, this is size, and click to download. Wait few seconds. When you click to download, it will start downloading. See, you wait few seconds to complete. After that, see you how to install. Then it is completed. Just single click to open, and this is extracted driver, so just double click to exe. Now you can see this is installing the audio driver. And then click to yes. Now you can see this is extract, and after that it start downloading. Now this is installing. It will close automatically, means this is installed. So wait. And it is completed. Just close it. Chipset driver, scroll down, download this and click to download. Otherwise you can download manage in the software engines. This is also, this is all chipset driver. So it is completed. Chipset driver to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Oh, this is installing. So it is close. So it is installed. LAN driver, extract Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Always try to download guys latest. You can see it is done, and just single click to open, and then this is extracted. So double click, and then yes. Now this is installing. So it is close means this is done. Automatically close it. VGA, Intel VGA driver, and click to download. You can say start downloading. Say wait few seconds to complete. After that, show you how to install. It is completed. VGA graphic driver. Click to open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to complete. And it is closed automatically, means this is installed, and then close this tab.